When homeowners in Palmetto Bay consider upgrading their living spaces, one of the most impactful and cost-effective improvements they can make is replacing old, outdated doors. While doors may seem like simple features of your home, they play a significant role in your home's energy efficiency. Replacing doors not only enhances the appearance and security of your property but can also lead to substantial savings on energy bills, especially in a climate like that of Palmetto Bay. Improved insulation for your home. One of the primary benefits of replacing old doors is the enhancement of insulation. Older doors, particularly those made from single-pane glass or thin materials, can leave your home vulnerable to drafts. This allows outdoor air, whether hot and humid in the summer or cold in the winter, to enter your home, making your HVAC system work overtime to maintain a comfortable temperature. By investing in modern, insulated doors, you'll reduce heat transfer, keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. As a result, your air conditioning and heating units will run less frequently, which leads to a decrease in energy usage and, ultimately, lower utility bills. Energy-efficient materials for better performance. In Palmetto Bay's tropical climate, energy-efficient materials are crucial in regulating the temperature inside your home. Many contemporary doors are crafted with advanced energy-saving materials such as low emissivity, low-E glass, which reduces heat transfer, or insulated cores that enhance thermal resistance. Whether you opt for a fiberglass, steel, or even a well-crafted wooden door with proper insulation, the materials used can significantly improve energy efficiency. These doors are designed to limit the amount of heat your home gains during the hot summer months, which is particularly important in Florida, where cooling costs can be high. Reducing air leaks and draft. Air leaks can significantly impact the energy efficiency of your home. Over time, weather stripping, seals, and the overall fit of a door can degrade, allowing air to seep through gaps and cracks. This makes it difficult to maintain a consistent indoor temperature. A door replacement allows you to seal out drafts effectively, ensuring that conditioned air stays inside and unwanted outdoor air is kept at bay. This can be particularly beneficial for homes in Palmetto Bay, where the intense summer heat and humidity can force air conditioning systems to work harder to cool your home. Enhanced home comfort. Replacing old doors with modern energy-efficient models also improves the comfort level of your home. Whether it's the intense Florida sun or cool breezes in the evenings, new doors help to create a more consistent indoor temperature. With minimal air leaks and optimal insulation, you'll feel more comfortable in your living space year-round. Additionally, modern doors often come with better soundproofing qualities, making your home quieter and more serene by reducing external noise from street traffic or neighborhood activity. Increased home value and appeal. Aside from the energy efficiency benefits, replacing doors can also enhance the curb appeal of your home. In Palmetto Bay, homes with well-maintained, aesthetically pleasing doors tend to attract more potential buyers. If you're considering selling your home, door replacement can be a valuable investment that boosts your property's marketability. Buyers are likely to appreciate the long-term savings and the comfort that comes with energy-efficient upgrades. An attractive, energy-efficient door can provide both practical benefits and an enhanced aesthetic, making it an attractive selling point. Environmental impact. By improving your home's energy efficiency, you also reduce its carbon footprint. With less reliance on energy-intensive cooling and heating systems, your household will be contributing to a greener environment. In areas like Palmetto Bay, where high temperatures and humidity levels demand frequent air conditioning use, taking steps to lower energy consumption not only saves you money but also helps in reducing greenhouse gas emissions. Conclusion. Energy efficiency is a key consideration for homeowners in Palmetto Bay, particularly given the region's hot and humid climate. Replacing old doors with modern, energy-efficient models provides a wide range of benefits, including better insulation, reduced energy bills, increased home comfort, and a positive environmental impact. Whether you're looking to save money, increase the value of your property, or create a more comfortable living space, door replacement is a smart and effective investment. By upgrading your doors, you're making a choice that will pay off for years to come, both in terms of financial savings and overall home enjoyment.